Hi, my name is Tawfiqur Rahman and I'm a EFS student for over 3 months, and I've learned well over here, and I'm confident today that I'm able to do public speaking for today's class. So the topic today is money over happiness. So for me, I think happiness is the key, as everything is money and everything is a materialistic thing, I would say. And money is, everyone is in the world is running after money and fame and respect they need. But all I can say that there are examples that Vijay, Mallya and every other Purabs has done, and they have lot of money, and they had to, what they had to do, they had to run away from their they don't have any fame right now, and nobody respects them because they are not done it in a utilized it in a positive way, and I would say that they are like con people, con man. And I think that is one example. But apparently it is, everyone will choose money because everything runs over money, and nobody, if you don't have money, nobody is going to give you so much of importance and attention. So I think that is important, I can say. But if I had to choose one between over that, and there is you can say there is a saying that money cannot buy happiness. So I think respect, happiness, everything is the main motive of making money. And if you are utilizing it in a positive way, then you can find your happiness. And what happiness is, it is in your mental peace. And monks, what they don't run after job, and they don't run after respectable life. So sorry, not to say that respectable, they don't run after materialistic aesthetic things. So they give up on that, and they stop listening to people, what they are potent. Everyone say that what monk will do, they don't have money, and that is not a job, so nobody is going to respect them. But apparently they feel that they see the mirror, and they are so much they do have so much of knowledge. So I think that they choose happiness over money. That's a realistic example, that the peaceful people, all they are respectable, and they have so much knowledge, and they have so much of brain control that they have. So I think that happiness I will choose always, because if I am today earning money, so only because of make my parents proud, and also to make myself happy, and for the necessity I am earning money, not because that I'm only sitting idle over my home for happiness. That is not happiness. You will get depressed if you don't have work. So work, that should be passionate, and you have to be I think that if you are happy and you are earning money in a you are making it in a right way and utilizing it for your own good and for your family. So I think that's the most perfect thing. I would say that happiness you will choose always, because money, I know there are diseases, everything, but God is there, and ultimately we have another life for our future. In another life we have. So if you do good, you will find happiness. And there are people living with less amount of money, and they're happy, and they're successfully living their life, and with so much respect. So that's my point. Thank you.